Okay, how helps circle to your drawing? So first, any drawing if you want to draw, okay, you need the practice circle. For example, what type of circle you practice? So how to practice nice circle? So you can go ahead to draw like clockwise like this and anti-clockwise like this. First you start to practice like this, clockwise and anti-clockwise. If you practice like this, clockwise and anti-clockwise, okay. So this practice actually help you a lot to create the noise sketching, okay, skill. So everywhere, every characters, its importance, this circle. And second important part is the oval, okay. So I show second part is the oval. It's very important. The next important part is oval. That is also the same technique. You do this like this, clockwise and anti-clockwise like this, okay. So when you practice clockwise and anti-clockwise, so your hand movement like this, it's not this, okay, it's in top your pencil, not do like this. It's a obstacle your hand movements. You need to do like this, okay, fine. Now the next stage, you need to draw the straight line. The next thing is that you need to the straight line. So basically you draw the straight line like this, okay. So sometimes I need to straight line practice, okay. So how to create the straight line? This is like a straight line. If you want to make the house, boat, okay, any packets, TV, any square shapes, you need the straight line. So you should practice the straight line also very nicely. So this is very, very important to practice straight lines, okay dear. The next thing is that, okay, you need the oval practice. So for example, oval, see this shape is a oval, okay. If you half circle, if you circle half, so this part is the oval. So you need to practice oval, okay. So like this. So suppose this is the oval, okay, it's a circle but half oval, okay. This is the oval. You put a tissue, this is, okay, if you half it is oval. If you create any characters, okay, like this, supposed to, okay. So see, this is part is the oval, this is the oval, okay. The curve line, you made the curve line. So I want to say, see, this is a curve line, okay. So this is a curve line. So next part is important to curve line, okay. This is a clay classes I teaching. So next part is the curve line. How to practice curve line? Like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, like this, okay. And again like this, 1 2 3. If you practice like this, so your curve line is coming very nicely, okay. So this is a very, very important. So straight line, oval, circle, curve line, and these things are only important. And this is the standing curve line and slanting curve line, okay. This is slipping curve line, slipping straight line and the standing straight line. This things is very important in your drawing, okay. So these four practice, if you draw us very nicely every day. So what is the help you got? I tell you that, okay. So when you finish, you just show me. You tell me, sir, done. You can show me. I can go to continue, okay. Fine. So now the next, okay. Okay, so now after that, how help that circular line? I explain over here. So any drawing, any kind of drawing, okay, like whatever you want. Suppose I want to make the birds, any birds, okay. For example, very random example I show first, then you can start, okay. See, I want to make a bird. So what I do, I just circle, curve, oval, oval, like this. Okay, oval. Bus. See, so I am using the circle, I am using the oval, I am using the curve line. Okay, so what is here? Now I can just, if I make it just like this, see, I just make one characters over here. How easily can do this? Okay, like this. See, I create over here like this. Okay, so I create over here the birds is called the hummingbird. This is world smallest bird. So see, I just make it very easy way to hummingbirds like this. Okay, fine. See, very first how to draw the very first the birds. Okay, it's a very, and now in this birds, okay, you can need that bird also 3 part of body divided for the 3 parts. Okay, how to 3 parts I explain. See, every body, every bird's human character is a 3 parts. Okay, so what are 3 part? Head, torso, pelvis. Head, torso, pelvis. So this is the head. Okay, head always coming from okay, top, then torso, then pelvis. I show what is how it's work. Okay, see, any character like a human character or any skull, any animals, I show you. Suppose to, if you want to make animals, see here is animal. So here head, this is a torso. Okay, this is a pelvis. Head, torso, pelvis. How I tell you? Very simple. In human, if you say the human skull, the character. Okay, see here, that is this is a head. Okay, this is the head. This is a torso. This is a pelvis. So this is the head. This is a torso. This is a pelvis. Head, torso, pelvis. Head, torso, pelvis. So I just take it like a circle only. Okay, this is the head. This is the torso. And this is the pelvis. Okay, so now if you I show you more easy way. This is character, this is mannequin. So see here also you can see this is the head, that is the head, this is torso, this is pelvis. Okay, this is, so head, torso, pelvis. So one thing you see, the head from torso, hand is coming. See, this 2 hand is coming from the torso, this torso. Okay, this is the head, torso, pelvis, and leg coming from the pelvis. This is the pelvis. This is the pelvis. See, leg coming from the pelvis. Okay, like this. So if you go, you understood what is head, torso, pelvis. Can you tell me that it is a head, this is the torso, this is the pelvis. These 3 parts. Okay, head, torso, pelvis. So now the bird also the same thing. Bird also, this is the head, this is the torso, this is the pelvis. Okay, 3 circle. So always we do the 3 circle. For the Superman, superhero also I hope you draw. See, this is the head, this is the torso, this is the pelvis. So always hand coming from the torso and leg coming from the pelvis. Okay, fine. So this is very simple for all animal, all human, all birds, the same things. Okay, only face is different. So now I just told you very easy way. Any birds. Okay, so I make the hummingbirds. See, I just make like this. Now I show you. Okay, any bird. See, suppose it's hummingbirds. Any animals. If you want to make the squirrel, see the same circle. Okay, beta. Straight line. See, curve line. First step 1 circle, next curve line. Okay, very simple. And after that you make here nose. Okay, see, you just watch now. After that you can start. When I tell you start, then you start. Okay, like this. So nose, eyes and ear. First make a circle, step 1. Step 2 you make oval. Step 3 you make nose. Step 4 you make mouth. So and step 5, nose, eyes and ear, it is same positions like this. Okay, like this. Okay, I just show first, just watch now. After that I do very slow and you can understand now that time. Now it's only little fast I show how the power of the circle. What is the power of circle? The circle theory. Okay. So now I want to, I make the squirrel kind of character. Okay. Like this. If you want to make the deer, any bird, any fish, any animal, suppose to I want to make the deer, the baby deer. See, make a circle first. Okay, go up over here, make it another circle over here. Only I am using 4 things: circle, oval, straight line and curve line. This is the 4 things only I am using for all drawing. Okay, so now I draw over here oval for eyes. Okay, like this, and I create here like ear, like this. See, okay, it's very important. Circle. See, this is the baby deer. If you see the baby deer, it's like this only. Okay, this is a baby deer. So I'm draw with the help of circle. If you want to make bird, fish, any fish, kind of fish, the same. Suppose to any fish you can tell me, like a shark, dolphin, find any dolphin, any fish in this world. First I make a oval like this. Okay, so either I using the circle, either I using the oval. Okay, see the earth is circle. Okay, and every bird's egg is a oval. Okay, any animals also sometimes maximum bird is a oval. The snake is also oval. So oval and the circle is the main thing, the master of drawing. So you can practice first circle. So I show the fish. Okay, dolphin. See that how easy, just a seconds, few seconds you can make the dolphin. First circle, then curve, then curve. See, I make a curve over here. Here eyes. Okay, so I make the dolphin smile. Okay, see here I create the curve. Here I can create the curve. Here I create the curve. Okay, so see, I just make a dolphin like only few seconds I'm using with help with this. So any animals, any fish, any birds, in fact any human, okay, you can start from, all human also start from the circle, human head basically. See, I just show quite an important circle. Make circle. If I want to make any human character, see, I just make circle. Just after that, again one circle here. I show you all things slowly. Okay, after that, first you watch what is the help of circle. Okay, see, I just make a circle, and this is the head, this is the neck. See, I just draw nose, mouth and chest. See here eyes. See here I can make it human also, the same circle, using circle. Okay, any character. So circle is the master, circle and oval is the master of drawing. Okay, that clear? So now you start with me. Okay.